All right, guys, very exciting. I just got the T77LTE One Talk Smart Desk Phone from Verizon, and we are going to do an unboxing. This device just came out. So, very cool. Quick start guide. All right, so as you can see, very nice. So as you can see, the device is not plugged in and it is already on. So the LTE, the T77 has a battery backup, and it must have come with some charge. It looks like 39% from the factory. So very cool. Huge selling point on this device. What else comes in here? Oops. We also have the traditional items, obviously the receiver. They changed the receiver on this one to the 3-hole compared to the 1-hole that was on the T67. Cord. Kickstand. Feels very nice. And power supply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this video. I'm going to power it up. I'm going to connect it to the Verizon network, get a number associated with it, and then we'll go through and do some of the tutorials.